Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Happy birthday to you, Fiona. Happy birthday to you, Fiona. Happy birthday, dear Fiona. Happy birthday to you.
You're blowing up mine. You're blowing up mine.
Phoenix, how about this? I'll light them again and you can blow them out, okay?
Can I blow
Alright.
some out?
Yep. Hey, you guys say happy birthday to Fiona.
Happy birthday, Fiona.
Hope you have a good day. We made these cupcakes all colorful for you with 10 candles. And they're on roller skates, by the way. That's why they're slipping all over the place. Alright.
I'm going to do that one, and that one, and that one, and that one. Do I get to blow any at home?
How about, Phoenix, here, you blow out 5. There you go.
Do it soft.
Come on.
Just blow. Nope.
Yeah.
Oh, that's 6.
I think you blew them all out, honey.
No, I didn't.
You did.
Phoenix did so.
I don't think so.
Hot. Papa, what happened when you said ow?
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Blow. Just got one.
Keep blowing. Blow hard. Harder.
Harder, Phoenix.
Blow harder. Get a little closer, a little bit closer. Blow hard.
How'd you do that?
Hard.
Keep going.
Keep going. Come on.
Okay, Violet, help me.
Okay, get it. Blow hard.
Blow harder.
Get a little closer.
Harder.
Good job. There we go.
We had him on that one.
Can I have a turn?
Can we see that?
Yep.
Can I? Phoenix, the smoke feels good right here.